Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of reporting a community in X. Reporting a community is an important step to ensure a safe and positive environment for all users. We'll provide a full guide on how to report a community in X. So let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Take a moment to launch the app and ensure you're on the home screen. Step 2. Locate the middle icon in the bottom drawer of the app. Give it a tap to access the community section. Step 3. Tap on the wanted community icon, or use the search icon to find the community you want to report. Once you locate the community, tap on it to enter its page. Step 4. Once you're on the community page, look for the 3 stacked lines icon in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access the Community Options menu. Step 5. Within the Options menu, locate and tap on the Report Community option. This will initiate the reporting process for the community in question. Reporting a community in X helps maintain a healthy and respectful environment for all users. If you come across any content or behavior that violates the community guidelines or terms of service, it's important to report it promptly. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to report a community in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.